We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone call not going through. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Calls not going through is a really annoying problem, as perhaps you've got an important phone call to make, or you just got a phone call in general. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try so calls will go and start going through. So to go and get started, you want to go and look in the top right of your iPhone, and you want to go and check the service bars there. You're going to need some service in order to go and make a call. So what you can try doing is you need to go and try going to a different location if there's no service there. What you can do is you go and drag down in the top right as well. And in the control center, you want to go and find the airplane icon just here. You want to go and tap that, and that's going to go and activate airplane mode. Leave it on for a few seconds. And then what you can do is go and turn it back off. This will go and refresh the network, hopefully then going and solving the problem. So try making a call and hopefully now it'll go through. If you're finding you still haven't got any service or it's still not connecting, the next fix you want to try doing is opening up your settings. In here, you need to go down and find the option for mobile service. Tap here. If you've got multiple SIMs, you need to go and select the one you want to do this with. And then at the top, select network selection and make sure this is set to automatic. After you go and change that, go and see if you can then go and make a call and hopefully it will go through. If you're finding that it still isn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is simply just taking the SIM card in and out. Often doing this, you can go and refresh things. So you want to come onto the side of your phone, remove the case if it's got one, locate the tray, and with a SIM card tool or just a small object like a paper clip, you can go and put it in there like so, and that'll go and pop the tray. And then what we can do is we can go and slide it out like this, and you can then go and put it back in like so. Then go and see if calls will then go through. Let me go and unlock it a minute. And then what you can do is go and see if that goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is doing a forced restart. This will go and restart the iPhone. So press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. Keep this button held down. Shortly, your phone screen will go black. When it does, keep it held down though, and only release it when you see the Apple icon and let it start like this. When it comes back on, see if calls will now go through. If it still won't, then what you want to do is go and open up your settings, go down and find general, go down again, and you want to find transfer or reset iPhone. Then you can press reset, and what you can do is reset the network settings. Tap there, enter in your iPhone passcode, let that complete. When it has, you can then go and see if you can now make a call. If it still won't go through, then what you should do is contact your carrier and go and see if there's any type of problem which is stopping it. And hopefully they'll be able to solve it if you haven't already. Leave a like if you found this useful.